Mango birds. Once upon a time in a forest, there was a small cluster of mango trees. In the spring, its branches were covered with beautiful mango blossom, and the forest echoed with the happy buzzing of honeybees. Soon the flowers fell, and in their place small mangoes began to appear. The sun grew hotter, and the mangoes grew bigger. Slowly, they turned golden yellow. When the trees were full of juicy mangoes, people and animals came to eat the delicious fruit.
Enjoy yourselves. Eat as much as you like, but leave some for others.
Are the trees talking to us? Yes.
People said that there was a tree god who protected the forest, and it was his voice. Everyone who heard the voice obeyed it. The animals were wise. The monkeys plucked the mangoes, they ate half the fruit and threw the rest down. Then the wild rabbits and the deer finished them. So everyone enjoyed the fruit and nothing was wasted. One day, a man came with a big sack. Inside it was a smaller bag. He climbed a mango tree and began to pluck the mangoes and fill the bag.
Eat as much as you like, but leave some for others.
The man didn't listen. He kept plucking the mangoes. When his bag was full, he emptied it into the sack and climbed another tree to pluck more mangoes.
Will you eat the mangoes alone? They are for all, not just for you.
The sack was nearly full. Suddenly, the man heard a noise and turned. He was shocked. The mangoes were tumbling out of the sack and rolling away, all by themselves.
How strange! How can this happen?
The man ran to collect the mangoes, but they got away from him as if they were alive. He ran around chasing the mangoes. Whenever he reached out to grab them, the mangoes jumped and rolled farther away.
Stop! All of you! I won't let you go!
Then, right before his eyes, they turned into golden birds. The flock of golden birds rose from the ground and flew away. As the greedy man watched in amazement, the mango birds vanished from his sight.
No! How can this be? This is impossible!
People say that this is how the golden yellow oriole bird was born.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.